On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will talk about JavaScript and Storage Manager. We will explain the features of Storage Manager in detail, and introduce how to use it step by step with code examples that actually work in the browser. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Web storage features like local storage and IndexedDB in browsers are essential for saving the state and data of applications locally on the user's device. However, if information about storage capacity management and persistence is insufficient, unexpected data loss may occur. Storage Manager is an API provided by user agents, mainly browsers, that offers ways to obtain and manage information on the usage and persistence of storage. Storage Manager is an object accessible via Navigator storage, providing the following main features. Retrieve information on used and available storage, Navigator, storage, estimate. Check the persistence status of storage, Navigator, storage persisted. Request storage persistence, Navigator, storage, persist. This is especially useful if you want to ensure persistent storage in service workers or PWAs, progressive web apps. First, check whether the browser supports Storage Manager. You can determine support by checking if the Navigator storage object exists and contains the estimate method. By using Navigator storage estimate, you can get the storage your app is using as well as the total storage quota. Usage represents the current usage in bytes, and quota is the maximum available capacity. You can monitor the storage usage to notify the user if your app is approaching the storage limit, among other uses. In many browsers, storage is saved as temporary, which means it may be automatically deleted if the disk space becomes insufficient. By using the persisted method, you can check whether the current storage is persistent. If it is not already persistent, you can request persistence from the browser using persist. However, it may be denied depending on explicit user actions or certain conditions. In many browsers, satisfying the following conditions increases the likelihood of getting persistence approval. The app is installed as a PWA. The user frequently uses the app. The app is running in an HTTPS environment. The persistence request is tied to an explicit user action, such as a click. In this example, persistence is requested when the user clicks a button. Using a button makes the request within the context of a user action, making it more likely to be granted. Navigator Storage is only available in HTTPS environments. Major browsers, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, support it, but some features are limited in Safari. Quota depends on the storage conditions of the device, and may have different values on different devices for the same site. By using Storage Manager, web applications can use the user's local storage more safely and strategically. It mainly provides the following features. You can check storage usage with Estimate. You can check the persistence status with Persisted. You can request persistence with Persist. When developing PWAs or offline-first apps, utilizing Storage Manager allows you to achieve both improved user experience and enhanced data protection. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to enjoy more content, please subscribe to the channel.